night's been heavy, but I still see you. Even when you feel lost, lately you've been fading in your own mind. Quiet in a room while the world moves by. You say everything feels blank all the time, like you're somewhere else but don't know why. Heavy heart hidden behind tired eyes, trying to stay strong while your soul just cries. You say I don't know anymore, and baby that hurts me to my core. When the world gets loud and your thoughts run deep, and even your own heart can't find peace, I just wish somehow you could see you never had to carry all this silently. So if today feels too heavy to hold, and your hands feel weak from the cold, just breathe my love, don't lose your light. We'll take this one day at a time, one day at a time, my love. You don't have to fight it all alone. Even when your heart feels lost, there's still a place where you belong. And if the darkness finds your mind, and tears fall when no one knows, just know somewhere quietly someone still loves your soul. I remember when you said I miss you looking after me. God, if only you knew how much that stayed inside of me. Wish I could hold you when you're freezing cold, put blankets around you when life gets hard, tell you softly rest your heart while the world falls apart. Carry storms nobody could see, smiling while breaking quietly. Even when you pulled away from me, I never stopped seeing your pain beneath. And when your heart feels too confused, like nothing inside feels like you, just breathe my love, don't lose your light. We'll take this one day at a time. If you feel broken, I'll still see beauty. If you feel lost, I'll still stay near. Even when life feels too heavy, you'll never be a burden here. And if your world keeps falling apart and hope feels harder to find, I'll still be quietly praying for peace to find your heart tonight. You said life don't feel the same anymore, like your mind keeps drifting away. But baby, even through silence, I still hear the pain you never say. And maybe right now you don't feel strong, baby, everything feels wrong. But even your weakest days can never make me careless. So tonight, just close your eyes and rest that tired heart of yours. You've carried enough pain for too long, and if nobody tells you today, I'm proud of you for still trying. Even through the silence, even through the silence, even through the days you feel lost, you are still deeply loved. One day at a time, one day at a time, one day